Welcome to Brother X. I'm Angelo, Brother Angelo. I got cane masters. I ordered a bunch of canes and I'm very excited to do an opening, so here we go. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff, so I kept on saying save it till it comes, save it till it comes. So finally it showed up, so let's see. Okay. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Nice. So right off the bat, wow. Look at this training cane. So this is the exercise. Resistance builds strength. Look at that. It has its own. Look at that. Beautiful. Feels good. This is nice. Like, wow. Yeah. Rounded edge, rounded hook for a horn for massaging yourself, and let's see here. Let's see what else here. Comes with rubber tip. Let's put that down and see what's in here. All right. So this is from Cane Masters, and this is very exciting. CRX cane resistance system safety precautions. Don't use latex bands if you have allergies. Exercise bands are not toys. Consult with a physician before allowing children to exercise. Children should always exercise under supervision of an adult. Avoid stretching bands that are more than 3 times their length and wear protective eye when exercising. Examine the bands for small nicks and flaws before using. If found, the band should be replaced. Contact your health provider immediately if you experience sharp pain, shortness of breath, dizziness, or lightheadedness during exercises. Soreness during initial exercises sessions may be expected. If pain persists for more than 3 or 4 days, stop immediately and contact your health provider. Keep the resistant bands away from sharp objects. Make certain that attaching points are securely fastened and wrapped before commencing each exercise session. Check your attachment points frequently during exercise and tighten when necessary. Attaching straps should be checked for wear and tear before exercising and replaced when necessary. Avoid storing the bands in direct sunlight. Cane Master LLC is not responsible for the use or misuse of this product. If you disagree, please return the product immediately for a refund. All right, so yeah, so that's the cane, and let's see what's in here then. Okay, more cane tips, because I ordered extra. And then this is the bag it comes with, which is a really nice bag. Oh, wow. Wow, look at what you get. You get the straps. Look at that, you got straps. Oh, wow. Look at the weights. So these go from 10 pounds to 50 pounds. Wow, so these are the exercise bands that click on to these. So when you want to work out, you can. This is a lot nicer than I thought. Like, it's really reasonable price. And then like you even have hand straps. Oh, look. I don't know what some of these are for yet, but I'll figure it out. This is very exciting. Okay, so that's the CRX, I believe, or just so I know the name properly. CRX, cane resistant system. So any elderly people, I'm 44, so if you don't like going to the gym and you want privacy in your own house, I suggest getting this. I live in Canada, so the American prices are, you're gonna pay a little bit more, but I'm telling you, well worth it. Well worth it. They have amazing quality. And look at that, everything in a nice, convenient to-go bag. Very nice, very nice. Okay, and then we'll just wrap that up. So this goes with this. So this is $99 for this system. And you can also get the videos as well. So I'm gonna put this. Okay, so let's see what else we got. And these are some of the tips I got. I bought extras. And Angelo, the gray heavy duty tips are on back order. We will send you when they're available. Thanks for understanding. Thank you. We want to thank you for ordering your handcrafted custom cane. You waited patiently and now you get to enjoy the finest wood craftsmanship and care that went into your one-of-a-kind cane. May you treasure it for life. And I will. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, so this just shows you responsibility and when you have a cane. So that's really good to have too. Okay, so let's open up this one now. This is exciting. I don't get a lot of nice stuff, and when I do, oh wow. Okay. Lots of tips. Just the tip, eh? Okay, so let's get look at this. Okay, so I got, so this is a training cane. So this is a training cane I got. Beautiful. I got a striking edge and also a defender horn put on it just because, in case I want to bring it anywhere. Oh wow, this is a nice, like these are really nice canes. Even a training cane, like this is a beautiful cane. Beautiful work, like. And this is just the plain old, yeah. Beautiful. Just magnificent, magnificent. Wow. Anyways, guys, that's this. Okay. Now this is the one that I custom ordered. Wow. Look at this, okay. Look at this. This is the pommel. Let's look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. It's got shark's teeth. And look at that striking edge. Teardrop with copper. With a copper yes. Wow, this is nice. Got my initials, Cane Masters, my initials, and Brother X. Right there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. Yeah, beautiful height. Look at this. Like this is really light. Wow. Nice. Striking image. Yeah, like oh, the detail. They really did a beautiful job here. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, thank you very much. I will, yeah. I don't have shoes on, so if I had my shoes on, it'd be about there, so I'd be a better height than where it's at. So this is nice. This is really nice. I'm stunned and speechless at the same time. This is just beautiful. Yeah, very nice. Anyways, thank you for everybody at Cane Masters. I'm shocked and speechless at the same time. Very nice work. Very nice work. Anyways, thank you again. Thank you. Anybody want to order from Cane Masters? If you can see that. Cane Masters, 1-800-422-2263 or www.canemasters.com. You can see just from the butte, like, this is just gorgeous work. Gorgeous work. Very talented. I will make videos in the future on these canes and yeah, and my everyday use with them. So thank you very much, everyone at Cane Masters. I'm very honored to have this, and looking forward to using this in my everyday. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this far in the show here, and like and subscribe so I could start doing some really cool videos. So anyways, thank you very much. Take care. Okay, this is the last thing from Cane Masters here. So what I did was I got some Couboutons for me and my brother, and one for my dad. My dad has really big hands, so this would actually fit his hands nicely. So this is what I got. Just the plain ones is all I wanted. But these are hickory as well, and yeah, beautiful. Yeah, all you need. Beautiful work. You can get these painted, you can get these initialed, but I wanted to do a quick show on these that I got. So anybody Cane Masters, I suggest you order from them. Beautiful, beautiful work. Anyways, thank you again.